Hello. Yeah. My bye. Bye.
Another woman that could take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just
You see. Stiff what? Okay. Cause I thought they said something. Anyways, welcome back, guys. So tonight we're gonna decorate the Christmas tree finally and make some Christmas cookies. Yeah. Okay, so on the to-do list, we're gonna cook first. So we gotta make dinner, then make cookies, Christmas tree, and then you see my nails are bare. I'm gonna try to do my nails tonight too, but I don't know, because I gotta go work in the morning. So yeah, we'll see. But let's cook. We're making breakfast for dinner. Let's get
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an ever since I replay.
okay, y'all. We done finished eating. Oh. It was good. But now we're gonna make cookies. And I got these little cookies. Oh Lord, I'm turning around. From Dollar Tree. Yeah, they got everything. So I think I'm gonna do the sugar cookies. So it's all I gotta do is add butter and water. And the oven is already preheated. Yeah, I messed up. So on the thing, it says 1 tablespoon. I thought it said 1 cup of water. So it's giving pancake mix. So we can't even do what we wanted to do with the cookies. So I'm gonna just put a few in and see how it come out. And it was messed up. It's, you know, we tried. We're gonna see what they do. These 6 cookies. I feel like they're still gonna be good. They're just gonna be boneless. And I like a boneless cookie. So we're gonna put this in the oven. Our oven already preheated. And we're gonna pray it works. But I'm gonna set my timer for 12 minutes. And hopefully they do something. I think I'm gonna apply my nails real quick while I'm waiting. So I could be doing so. And then we're gonna decorate the tree.
Yourself. A merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas. We go.
skincare first. Take our earrings off. And then my nails, I did this like pretty wine color. My sister probably say I'm acting like an old lady, but it's cute to me. It's cute to me. So we're gonna go in with my La Roche-Posay cleanser and do that all over. Okay, my camera finna die, so I'm gonna finish off camera. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Good night.
Ain't another woman that can take your spotlight.